Hey everybody, it's me, Tayana. I'm making this video because I want to tell you what happened to my head. Okay, so what had happened was I didn't feel like going to get the stuff that I needed to go get from where I needed to go get it from. I decided to not go down to Crenshaw and not the stuff that I needed, and I went to another a store, a less ethnic store. Let's just say that. This is the stuff I got.
I got this, which is 1 ounce of powder, and this, which is some 30 lift. Okay, so the lady said, and then the instructions also read that you should put this whole thing into a little bowl, 1 ounce, and then mix 1.5 to 2.5 ounces of this. Mix it till it turns kind of thick and pasty, whatever. And then you apply it. You're supposed to apply this starting from the back and then work your way up. And you're also supposed to apply it with the plastic, what I did was I put a grocery bag on, yes, a plastic grocery bag, and then I put the shower cap on, because I didn't want to mess up my good shower cap because I didn't have any of the little clear, so that's what I did. And the thing said you're supposed to leave the stuff on for like 20 minutes. My little happy ass is sitting up here typing and doing all other stuff. I look up, and he was like, aren't you supposed to be washing that stuff out? Like 20 minutes. I was like, yeah, I am. As a matter of fact, I look over at the clock. It was like 43 minutes. I'm gonna say later. That's a little bit over 20 minutes. Definitely a little bit over. I'm not sure. It's over 20 minutes. So I was like, okay, well, let me just finish this up real quick, because I know I got to get in the shower to wash all this stuff out. So I was like, okay, let me finish this up real quick. I typed for another 10 minutes. So I had this stuff in my hair for almost an hour. This is what I had. This is not what I usually use. So now I'm gonna tell you this. Not only did I wash it, when I washed it out, I was washing my hair and I looked over into the mirror, to see what I need to do. Because this stuff turns blue in your hair. But when I pulled the bag off, my whole hair was white, and I just figured that the stuff had turned over. So I'm washing my hair. I look over in the mirror and I'm like, is that lather? No, it's not. I got a Steve Martin going on up under there or something. I don't know what it was. I don't know. So I get out the shower. I blow dry it to see. You can see all the hair where it had grew out. Like it was just uneven. So I cut it. Now, mind you, I usually cut my hair in this direction. And I had the guards on. Thank goodness. I had the little guards on the clippers. But I flipped it up and I cut myself up. And when I did it, that's exactly what my face did. I was like, what the hell did I just do? I looked, and it was just, So I said, well, I can't just leave it like that. I had to do my whole head that way. So I had to cut my hair even shorter than I expected to cut it. Now, I have never had it this short. And I must say, it looks really different. My hair is white, and it has a pink tint to it. And the tint came from the red that was in there from before. It lifted, and then when I washed it out, it kind of just stayed on there. Let me show you what my hair looked like. Now, wait, before I show you, I want y'all to help me with something. I have a poll on my blog right now at realtruthhurts.com. Look on the right side, and this is going to be up for like 2 or 3 days, so I'm going to need y'all help with this. I need y'all to tell me, what color do you think I should go with next? Because now that it's like this, I figured, well, maybe I should try something different other than the red. Maybe, I don't know, but I'm going to let y'all decide that for me. I don't usually let nobody decide nothing for me, but I'm going to let y'all decide. And considering Halloween is coming up, I guess I could, you know, y'all. So let me show you what it looked like. Oh, do y'all see my little pimple? It is ridiculous. Oh, my God. But anyway, so, and I'm wearing this not because I'm ashamed of my head. I know I look like I'm about to read a note for the Taliban, but I'm not. I got this on because it was cool outside, and I want my little naked white head to freeze. Okay, so here we go. Y'all ready? Don't see this. I'm crazy because I ain't studying you anyway. My little head. Can you see that? You see the pink tint all the way around? I got like this little pink tint, and look how short it is. That is extremely short. The gray almost. Look at that. Y'all see this? You can just see my skin. It's white. It's super white, huh? Yeah, buddy. That's some white hair right there. I'm sure it's going to grow in just a teeny bit. But, yeah. Check me out. So, y'all go by my blog, realtruthhurts.com. Look on the right, at the top right. You'll see a little poll. It's going to be up there for at least 3 or 4 days. Just tell me what you think. And also, I'm going to put a link to this post on my blog, and if you don't see a color that you want to vote for on the poll, then just click the link
it'll take you straight to this particular post, and then you can make your comment and tell me what color it is that you probably want to see happen. And I'm gonna go by who, whatever the most votes are, that's the one that I'm gonna go for. So we'll see. Oh, and black is not an option. I'm not gonna do my hair black, so don't even go there. I'm not doing any. No, I'm not doing that. But anyway, y'all, that's what had happened. Next time, follow the instructions and do as you told. Cause if not, you could end up with white hair with a little pink tint, or maybe some green hair, orange hair, who knows. But anyway, I'll see y'all later. I'm Tiana, Real Truth Hurts, and I'm white. I'm out. Hey, y'all, and don't forget to join me on my new YouTube channel, youtube.com/Real Truth Hurts TV, so that you can find me there. Also, remember, if anything happens to my pages or anything, you can always find me at realtruthhurts.com, all right? All right, y'all take care. Peace.